What a surprise! There's a new scam out there to steal your credit card info, but fortunately for anyone watching this video, it's very easy to avoid if you simply know about it. This scam involves the tap to pay feature that a lot of credit cards have these days, though I want to say right off the bat, I'm not going to tell you to avoid using the tap to pay feature. In fact, afterwards, I'll explain why it actually is better to use tap to pay. It's more secure than other methods, as long as you know how to avoid this particular scam when using it. So this is how the scam goes. The scammer will walk up to an ATM machine and put some glue or something in the card slot to block it. Then they'll hang around near the ATM, and when someone goes up to use it, they'll find they're unable to put their card in. It's blocked. So the scammer will then pretend to say, oh, you can't use the card slot, just use the tap to pay feature, which a lot of ATMs also support. But here's how they might get you. At the end of withdrawing your money, a ATM machine may say something like, would you like to do something else? And it asks you yes or no. Though keep in mind, it might look a little bit different depending on the machine. And a lot of people apparently just forget to answer this and just walk away before answering it. So what the scammer then does, if this person forgot, is walk up to the machine themselves and hit yes, meaning I want to do more stuff, which in this case is withdraw more money. So basically they're counting on the fact that a certain percentage of people will not realize they have to do this, especially if they've never used the tap to pay feature before on an ATM. They're not familiar with the process, and they'll just hope that people leave the transaction open. But fortunately, now that you know about this scam, you are completely immune to it as long as you don't forget. So just going forward, know that if you use the tap to pay feature at an ATM, just watch out to see if it asks you if you want to do more stuff, or also make sure that you just go back to the original menu that it showed when you walked up. So then you know there's no session still active. Now,
first of all, you need credit card information. So you're just gonna go on some Russian sites on the dark web where you can buy stolen CC information. You can estimate the worth of the stolen CC you're buying, the bin and the zip code. So if the zip code is like Beverly Hills, the card's obviously gonna be worth more than like cards from Compton. Then when you got the stolen credit card information, you need to get a VPN on socks, write your IP. You also need a MAC address changer. Also use CC Cleaner to clean your browse history, cookies, temp files and more. Once you did that, when you go onto the site, you wanna hit go for expensive stuff like Apple products, gift cards from designer, and enter the stolen card information. And when you order on the site, you need a drop. A drop is basically just where the parcel gonna get sent to. Never ever use your home address as the drop. Then you ship it out to the post office or friends and family. If you did everything right, the parcel should arrive, and now you can buy anything for free online.
So I buy your credit card information on the dark web for $10, all right? For that $10, I get your card number. I get the expiration date, 3-digit security code. I get your address, your name. Now, you can use that immediately for $500 to $1,000 worth of product, all right? So not a bad haul for $10. But guess what? These guys got to cash out. So how do you cash out? So what you do is, say you're shopping online. You're using stolen credit cards. What are you going to buy? You're going to try to get laptops. You're going to try to get the Rolex. You're going to try to get something that resells quickly, all right, is what you're going to try to do. So you get that. What do you do with it? You sell it. Where do you sell it? Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, eBay.
Top scammers can stock up on so much product that it's tough to cash out quick enough. But lucky for them, there's another criminal enterprise, flush with cash and motivated to move fast. Your local drug dealer.